my name is Andi Bühler. This is the drum code Swing 3. Today we are playing 8 notes. So first thing we're going to do is playing a swing groove, or better, we are playing a light swing groove, which means quarter notes on the right cymbal and 2 and 4 on the hi-hat. And we're adding 8 notes with the left hand on the snare drum. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And sure, the 8 notes are shuffled. So that's the first step. Second step, playing the full swing pattern groove on the right cymbal and adding the 8 notes. So now we're playing 8 notes when we see a black spot. So one black spot is 2 8 notes. Number 1, black, white, white, white. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Number 5, 2 black spots. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. So that's the whole trick. I know, I mean, it's from the coordination and all that stuff that takes a while, but the concept is easy, right? So now for this, we have 2 concepts. The first one is we're always playing on the black spots, this 8 notes on the snare, but with a white spot, we have 2 options. First option is we are playing the bass drum as a quarter note for the white spot. Sounds like this, number 1. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Or the second option is we just leave it free. We don't play anything when the white spot appears. So number 1 is actually 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to play you the first 5 lines of the 16 combinations. 4 times every line 2 times. And 2 times I'm playing it with the bass drum, and 2 times I'm playing it without the bass drum. So actually I'm playing every line 4 times. You'll see. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. You might have heard that I'm playing the little accents. So when I have a row of eighth notes, I'm starting and ending the row with a little accent. Like with number 5, we have 1 and 2 and. So I have the 1 and the 2 and as an accent. I found that a bit more musically in the normal songs when you're just playing. This is the way you're gonna do it. This is where all these syncopated accents, they're all happening in that swing stuff. So when you have number 5 again, it's if you have more than 2 black spots. All right. So, and of course, play it really slow. Or play it like up-tempo swing. I mean, that's up to you. That's a technical stuff. But build up the tempo. Try to feel always like a heavy beat with that swing stuff. I mean, it's good to play it easy and to play it in a low volume. But for now, for the practicing, I think it's good to play it big and feel it big. The same goes with the 3-spot section. There you play just the jazz waltz. So in the beginning, you're playing the light version, meaning you're playing only quarter notes on the right cymbal. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Try to play now the full quarter note pattern with the left hand. And now with the actual jazz waltz pattern. So, and now our 2 options. Black, always the 8th notes, but white, option 1, bass drum, option 2, no bass drum. Excuse me. All right. Have fun with it. If you have any questions, write me an email. See you soon. Bye.